Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Towel dry hair so it's damp, not dripping. Apply 3-6 drops to your palm, rub between hands to distribute the formula evenly. Work the serum into mid-lengths and ends first, then glide toward roots. This prevents buildup at the scalp. Once done, use a wide-tooth comb to detangle and spread product. You're doing this to seal cuticles and reduce breakage. The carrier oils in the serum lock moisture and prepare strands for styling. You'll continue by dividing hair into 4 to 6 sections so every strand benefits. Take small amounts and use your fingertips to press the serum along shafts. This ensures the actives reach the cuticle and bond weak points. Comb through each section with a fine or wide-tooth comb depending on texture. That mechanical action spreads product and reduces frizz. Make sure to add only 1 drop at a time if hair still feels dry. Because excess causes heaviness, you finish by styling, air dry for gentleness, or use a low-heat blow-dry to lock in the serum's benefits. Make sure to avoid direct high heat on treated areas. Heat can degrade some active ingredients. If hair appears greasy, lightly blot with a towel or apply a small amount of dry shampoo at roots. This restores balance without stripping benefits. Troubleshooting: if you get buildup, reduce frequency or drops and clarify once weekly to reset the hair's absorption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.